Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Moxie, and I'm going to talk to you about the enhancements that we've made to HDF5 in version 20. For starters, we've redesigned the HDF5 panel to include lots of convenience functions that will help you navigate around your file. Say that you've navigated to one directory for the Y data and want to quickly get to the same area for your X data. You can do so by clicking these buttons. Similarly, if you would like to get back to the root of the file, you can do so by clicking the button above. Furthermore, you are now also able to search your files with fuzzy search logic in order to quickly navigate to the desired dataset. You can now also select multiple columns of Y data at once interactively or through the above text boxes and plot against a singular X-axis dataset. Integer, float, and string value attributes present on the dataset are now able to be viewed in THIS in order to give your data more context. For example, for this dataset, you can see the set name as well as its identifier. Finally, we now offer fast ACF support for HDF5 files, allowing you to automate reading from datasets. Thank you for listening.